Hello and good day. I would like to welcome all the forex traders. I am doing trading for the last 6 years. Initially, I lost something like a lot of money, which used to be done by my friend. I cannot directly do this trading. He has pioneered the techniques. Now I try to learn something from him and I try to do it myself. First of all, this video is completely for educational purpose, and again it is only for educational purpose. Anything anyone does watching this video is completely his or her own discretion. So let's analyze this pair, British pound US dollar, which is commonly known as Gbpusd. So we will do the top down analysis. Today is 25th October 2023. I will try to do the analysis from top down so we can see where we are. So here this is the monthly chart we can see, and here it is very specifically if we identify it is currently on downtrend. Very easy to detect. There is something here, but still if we see it, that still it is in downtrend. In a way, if we enlarge a little, then we can see it is making lower high and lower low. So let's put it in this way. If we mark it with a line here, we can see this one is lower than the previous one. This high is higher than this high, and at the same time we can see it is still making lower low. So again it made another lower low, and here we can see it has also made another lower high. So the downtrend is confirmed without any doubt. Still it is in downtrend. So this is the beginning. I will take some time to analyze, so please bear with me. First of all, we can take data from here, which is in 2009, from here, from here, from here, from 2021. But our main concentration will be last 1 year. Here, this space, we will concentrate mainly what is going on and where we are heading here, where GBP/USD is heading. So let's get into the business now. So again, the main trend is downtrend. So here we are seeing for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. For the last 11 months, pound was gaining on dollar. So considering that, it is an uptrend. As we know, there are three type of traders. One is called position traders. They will still follow the bigger downtrend, and there is swing traders who will follow the this short term 1 year trend, and there is scalper who does trading on day-to-day basis. So we here we will mainly concentrate on swing trading, because most of the traders who are doing trading on day-to-day basis, they are scalper. I don't have that much knowledge about scalping. And position trading is a, you need a very deep account. I mean a very big amount in your account to do positional trading, which maintains the main trend line. So let's get here for a scalper. So considering the last 11 months, the adding another 12, 13, current month is 14th, we can see that it was in uptrend, undoubtedly. Now what happened here, we will try to analyze and what we can do. This high is responsible for this low. This high, if we see here, it is responsible for this low. So there are three things on the basis of which we will try to analyze the market. One is the structure of the market. The second is, we can say, the price action. And third is, sometimes it is called candlestick pattern, sometimes it is called pattern, but the pattern we will talk will involve a lot of candlestick. So these three things we'll concentrate initially. Then we'll do some tips and tricks to see how the trader can be benefited from this. So first we will identify what is happening here. Here we see that there is a candle, which we can say inverted hammer in monthly. And if we try to find any pattern that whether it has made a double top or not, we can see that it doesn't made any double top in monthly. So we will try to find if it has made any double top in weekly. So if we go to week now it is the same again. This low is responsible for this high. Now, if we put here something like this, then we can see, yes, it is formed a double top from here in week. Here, let's take it here, right here. So let's make it a little bit big for further clarity and understanding and visualization. So this is the place, this guy, this green candle is the last candle which tried to get or tried to stop the sellers. And this is the same candle now who is trying to stop the buyer. So if we draw a box here like this, so this is the place where the double top has occurred in weekly time frame. Now before I proceed, I would like to mention certain thing. Most of the traders who trades, they don't very deeply follows what is happening in the market, and that is the scope or mistake the traders do, and the BFI, big financial institutions, take the advantage of such thing. So here, this is a double top confirmed, and to make a double top, there is two, three conditions. Let's put it in double top. A green candle must be followed by a red candle, and the tweak of the or the legs, top legs of the candles must have a relation on the left with another twigs or body of another candle. Mainly twigs are preferable, but if sometimes we don't get anything to match, then we leave it alone. So here we can see it is remarkably matched here. So this is, we can say this is a double top confirmation here. So we can say it's a double top. So the double top is here. Now we see the double top is here. So let's mark the top of the double top. And the bottom of the double top, from where it has been created, like this here. It has been created from here. So we have to mark that too. Let's mark that. So this is uptrend and double top form. Now the market is going down. We know that very clearly that our big trade, the big trade, which is still downtrend, the big trend, which is still downtrend, but the market went against that to this, and it formed a double top here. What happened now? Now let us measure what is happening. What are the issues we can measure here? So half of the double top, if we see, is here. And it has not reached the half yet. So we can consider this as pattern 1. P1 weekly, so it is done here. So it has not reached half yet. Now what we can see that in wicks there are two vital candles here. One is this one and another is this one. These two guys, these two candles are the most influential candle in this pattern at the moment, as this one the buyer is proving its power and this one the seller is proving its power. So this guy and again this guy are showing, flexing their muscle and putting the market inside this range. Now question is, if we see this top is responsible for this low, this bottom, and it has not particularly created anything here. But if we see that yes, we can check that it has created here a double bottom in week. But if we go to day, can we see it? Yes, in day also it has created. So for clarity, if we put it on day, let's say this double top is formed in day, which give us better clarity. So let's take this and mark it. It is formed in day. And this is our line, border line. I beg your pardon for my mistakes. And this should be solid in blue. Now this day has formed a double bottom. For this double bottom, we can see that this is a double top. But this top doesn't match with any candle in day, in week, in month we cannot consider because the month has not gone yet. It is still running. So let's go to day and mark the top in the day. This is day has created this. So before we put it there, let's remove this. And if we see here in day, it has been created this top from here, it has already retraced by 50%. Let's remove these two. So let's concentrate here. So coming back from week, this is our week pattern. Here we can see this is the bottom which created this top of the week, and this top double top has happened and it is going down, and it's supposed to come up to here. That is the thing it's supposed to do, but it is creating another bottom here, double bottom in days, and this is the range of the day. This bottom of day has created this top. Now the question is, after creating this double bottom, so this is, we can say, pattern 2, this is pattern 2, this is P2 daily, we can say, and save as P2 daily bottom. So this is, we can say it a little bit save as P2 daily bottom. That is better. So it has created this one. So this is our pattern 2. Now coming back to here, it is not matched with any pattern, so we will go to 4 hours now, and in 4 hours we will try to check if there is a pattern, because question is why this red is where this red is coming from, because here it is forming another pattern which we can say double top, and this double top is consistent with our, if you can remember, our main trend line of the month. Where is that? Anyhow, main trend line of the month, which is downtrend. So P1 is inconsistent with our trend line, main trend line. P2 is just against our trend line again. Now P3, this is the P3 has formed. Where is P3? This is our P3, which we have to find where it has been formed. So if you go here, we can see it has been formed in 4 hours. In 4 hours. Can you see it here? This is the green candle which has resisted this downtrend for the time being. So this guy has created this double top here. So let's draw it. Here we can see this is the double top. We will consider this one and the top one. So here we can see that in 4 hours again another pattern has been created. Please don't get anxiety, or don't lost your interest, because there is a lot of things going on, and we need to consider all the factors of the market. Otherwise we will lose money. The traders will lose money. Very simple. So this is P3, and this P3 in 4-hour TF, and it is top, D top, or you can say double top. Okay, so it is a double top. Let me save the template for future. Save. Okay. And this cause this drop. This is the thing, it is pushing it here. Now considering this, we can see that it is creating a double bottom here again, which took it here. So we need to see if it is in daily. No, there is no daily tweaks. So here we can see it very clearly that this is created from here. This is created from here. This guy has created this thing. So let's draw it. This is the thing has been created. This is our P5. This is our P5. P4, I beg your pardon. This is P4. And it is making a double bottom in 4 hours. Because each time the direction changes, and the traders do bi-directional trading. It means either we buy or sell, we go long or short. So we have to understand why it is going, we need to do long or we need to do short. So it happened in 4 hours. And again, if we see it, let's put it here, which will be very easy to mark. The total price of GBP/USD is ranging from, for the last 1 month. If you can see, if we draw a box here, this is the range it is operating, and it is not going out of this box. This is not going out of this box. So now question is, again it formed here something, and it is the thing I can understand that this top is not in day. If we go to day, there is nothing in the day. In the week, there is, let's enlarge it, there is nothing in the week. So it is again in 4 hours. It has made this double top here, from here. From here you can see it has made a double top in 4 hours time frame. Question is, how do we decide what to do now? So if we reflect it again, then this is our pattern 5. Question is, why I am increasing the pattern? The reason to increase the pattern, as long as it is not coming out from this ranging box, which I have just marked here. This is the range it is operating, if you see, for a very long time, for the last 1 month, and it is not coming out of it. Until it comes out of this ranging box, there will not be any big changes in GBPUSD for swing traders. However, for the day traders, they can take trade from here, leave it here. They can go short here and close here, or maybe they can go long from here and close it here, or long from here and close it here. But these are the things that this is what it is happening for the last 1 month is only for day traders. There is no particular anything here which we can mark as swing traders to go short or long. So my opinion about this pair being a swing trader is that if it breaks, where it will go. And breaking means if it breaks on upside, then it will go within this range. This is the range of it. So it will go something like this on the upside. Once it's broke this price range, so let's put a mark there. If it breaks this one, it will do something like this. A little bit higher. Let's put it like a green one. And this should be also green if it goes upward. On the contrary, if it breaks downside, then it will go like this. So let's mark it. Because it is the thing something like this, that whenever a range break, the market goes equivalent to the range on downside or upside. It will do the same here. And it will go at least 50%, which is touching the weekly half. This is the weekly half. If we go to week, you can see that this is the weekly half, the weekly range. So our 4-hourly chart measurement does match with our weekly half here. It should be red. And it should be green. Okay. So let's put it a small way. This is the situation. At the moment. So if we consider the last pattern P5, it has already completed is 50%, if I am not wrong. Yes, more than 50% has been completed. You can see. So either it will have to go here and break this barrier and retest, and it will go here, or it will break this barrier, retest, and it will go up. So these are the two places. 1.2336 is the line where we should wait to break up, or if we see that it will go down, we should look for 1.20. In both the cases, please be sure that if it breaks up or down, whichever it is, you will have a guaranteed profit of 50% of this mark. So 50%, if we say it is 150 pips here, and same thing if we go here, you will find it half of this is 150 pips. I wish you enjoy. Let's see how it turns out. And I don't do any analyze. The lowest time frame I use is 4 hours, because the less we go in time frame, the chances, the probability of the trade goes down substantially. So 4 hours is the minimum. And the tip I promised you for today is that one trader who is doing trading for the last 26 years, he told me in simple words, always put your buy and sell where everyone will put their stop loss. If you get the trade, okay. If you don't, it is okay. But following this simple rule will give you a 20 to 25 pips premium. I mean discounted price. So best of luck for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I will highly appreciate your comments, and a lot of things which I need to yet to learn. So I would love to learn from you too. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.